Hey guys, it's Nani,
Nate, and Christian.
So today we are going to be pranking my mom. Hopefully this works. We've been seeing some videos on where like people put something in your mouth and they crack it and then like they fall or whatever and the person gets scared. So today we're going to go ahead and try that with cracking Christian's back. So
And
I think
I'm going to be cracking his back.
yeah, Nate's going to do it. Christian's going to be the one getting his
Wait, why
back
can't we
cracked.
have her cracking your back?
Because I'm pregnant.
But you're not. Your back is not the one that's going to be cracked. You're going to crack
Well,
his
yeah, but
back.
I have to put him up against me. How am I going to put him up against me?
I could, well,
It's not gonna work.
it could be a little bit more dramatic.
So yeah, guys, stay tuned. I think my mom's gonna fall for it, and I think she's gonna freak out. What do you guys think?
I think she'll. Yeah, I think she'll fall for it. Hopefully, she gets your dad to freak out too.
And she's gonna freak
Because
out.
your dad's in the living room, she's in the kitchen. So.
Yeah. So
And hopefully they can't hear us right now.
I don't think so.
Because there's a window right next, like right around the corner. But yeah, I think she should fall for it. I think it should be.
It's gonna be
Yeah,
interesting, guys. So stay
be good.
tuned.
Weren't you gonna go to the store? What were we gonna do today? Go to the store? I don't know, maybe to the, I don't know, I was thinking to go get some groceries and probably go return the waffle maker thing. Yeah, I can. We can make a list, like a, I know we need vanilla too. And we need sugar, huh?
Yeah, we're gonna need sugar.
I like those waffle makers, but there's one that just opens and closes, and I want to try that one because I feel this one takes up a lot of room. I can't nomás it's like you open it and you close it. That's it. It's like a panini.
Can you crack my back? My back it hurts a lot.
Like right now, or can you wait?
Like right now.
All right, hold on.
Did you do like sleep problem? Maybe from when you were practicing the.
I hate cracking backs, honestly. I would crack hers, but when you're not pregnant, but. Okay. Damn. It went down to negative. Alright. Or do you want me, what part? Like just like right here? Come on. Standing up or laying down? Put your pressure on. Oh! Ow!
Oh my gosh, Christian! Christian! Memo! Memo!
It's a prank.
Memo.
It's a prank. It's a prank.
Sorry, dude.
It's a prank. Stop. It's a prank. It was a prank.
That's not funny, Christian, eh?
It's a prank. Stop. He wanted to try with the thing.
¿Ya viste? ¿Ya viste?
¿Por qué me hablas a mí como que si yo no voy a...
Oh my
Pues
gosh.
porque me dijo
I'm
también,
telling you,
¿qué
it's
está
a
pasando?
prank. It's a prank. Oh my gosh, Christian, are you okay? Are you okay?
Hey, do you guys know?
Are you okay?
Hey, it was Noemy's idea actually. I just found out about this.
It's a prank. That's what I was saying. It was a prank. I'm sorry, Mom. Not funny at all.
That is not funny.
Babe, thank you for participating. All right, guys. So Nate pointed out a couple things. He said I was too calm and I was laughing, which I was because I can't keep a straight face, especially when I'm nervous. But
She was nervous. That's the other thing. Awkward.
I was nervous, but it was funny. And it's because once I saw my mom's face and she got really worried, like I had to say, it's a prank, it's a prank. Nate wanted me to keep it going.
In the beginning when we did the intro to this video, oh, we're gonna prank, let's do a prank, let's do a prank. And you're gonna pop her back. I'm like, what? How do I get involved in this?
One day though, when I become a popular YouTuber, I'll make sure I take care of my mom for this prank.
Your mom's medical bills, you mean?
My mom's medical bills. She really did almost.
Guys, do you guys think that she should have kept it rolling for another 10 seconds? I think she should have kept it rolling for another 10 to 15 seconds, but...
You were
She said
laughing
no.
already. You were
But
already
nobody
laughing.
knew that I was laughing. I was on the floor with my face down.
Well, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let us know if you guys want to see more pranks. Even if I suck at them.
Well, she needs a little bit of improvement, guys, but she's trying, so I guess we'll give it to her for that. I mean, she had me. I was a guinea pig. I was the one who was like, oh yeah, you cracked the back. So I got her.
Oy, got dark.
Ooh.
Alright, guys. Talk to you later.
But it was funny, guys. I gotta admit, I'm not good at pranking either. I laugh right away, so good thing I was on the floor and they weren't paying attention to me. But yeah, it was funny.
Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.